Attorney Jonathan Elson, reminding you that if you've been injured in an auto accident, it's important to have somebody on your side. When you need a lawyer,
then you need Nelson.
Okay, so the next item on this list was the water district. One item is to remove the act completely. The second one is to rewrite the sections within the act, which would be section 8 and 10, to either break them out or rewrite them to something different to make the act more usable to what's here in the county. And number 3 is either to turn it into an advisory committee or an advisory board, which would be either for the whole county, or you could split and have 2 advisory committees.
I think that the water board's pretty much costing us a lot of money, and that was put in basically to move forward with the developers importing water to the county. That's kind of, things have changed drastically financially, and that's all kind of fell through. And if we delete it, we could always bring it back in the future if things do change.
Well, I'm the only one on the board that was here when the whole thing happened, and at that time, Trump was estimated to have a population of 450,000 people. We had the 3rd largest aquifer in the world, and neither one of those things are really going to be a reality. I do not believe that the water board is actually accomplishing what we originally thought it would, or at least my opinion.
I cannot correct all of the misconceptions in the time that we have here, so I'm not going to even address it.
Okay. It has been stated that the sole purpose of this water district is to import water, and it was mentioned during the hearings, as were many other options, but it is just one option available. Currently, the commission, to us, left out of the water plan any importation, and there are no monies being spent on that, nor do I foresee in my lifetime that we will. So let's leave that fear-mongering aside, please, and deal with the real issue. Real issues, those being something a standalone authority can deal with. The Water District Governing Board has been battled by this board and others since its inception. It took 2 years before a previous board even appointed anybody to that board. And I believe it is time to let them do what they were created to do, and that would be all things water.
I want to make a motion to prioritize the water district and accept the BDR to do away with them.
I'll second it.
I have a motion and a second. I'm going to start again with Commissioner Cox.
Aye.
Commissioner Shinhoffen.
So much was misleading. The salaries aren't what they said. The basins aren't what they said.
Are we just taking a vote, or are we?
I was trying to get a little bit less common sense in. I mean, no. I'm voting no against destroying the water district.
Commissioner Wickman.
No.
Commissioner Boraski.
Aye.
Okay, just remember, if this goes away, it's done. Okay? Aye. So that'll be the BDR we put forward.
So surprised.